So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in snipping tool. Now you want to click on app settings. Once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate and then click on reset and then click on reset again. You want to reset the snipping tool application. Once that's been done, see if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. I know this sounds weird, but just try it. Make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully up to date. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. Now you want to find your keyboard. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your keyboard comes with a software, then you want to go to your software and then update your drivers through there. Make sure you have the latest firmware up to date for your keyboard software. For the next method, on your keyboard, there may be like a certain key that you pressed which disabled the print screen button. It might be like FN and escape or something like that, so just double check your keyboard if there's any buttons that you may have accidentally pressed which have disabled the print screen button. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.